Take and twist until this stops. And then we have our double flare. Okay, so it should look pretty symmetrical. With, especially this nickel copper, if it's not exactly 100% perfect, it'll kind of squish and move its way around to seal itself off pretty good. So on this end here, we're gonna do our metric bubble flare. So now this kit here has two different bars. We have a standard inch bar, and then we have our metric one, okay? So 4.75 is the sizing for our metric line. So we're gonna go ahead and put our line in here in the 4.75 millimeter side. Now if we look, one side of this tool has a chamfer, the other side is flat. I wanna make sure we're using the chamfered side, not the flat side. So we'll put our line in there. We're gonna grab our 4.75 millimeter adapter, and then we have this part sticking up on here. What we wanna do is make sure that that part sticking up, this whole piece here, is what is sticking up on the line, and the piece of brake line sticking up out of here is the same length as this piece of metal. So we're just gonna kind of push it down. And basically I'm just making sure that it's all lined up. We're gonna go ahead and tighten up our adapter. If you need to, we can use the handle from the A-frame here just to give it a quick tighten. Now we're gonna grab our A-frame. We're gonna take our adapter and actually gonna screw the adapter into the A-frame. Make sure it threads all the way in. We'll put our handle on here. Open this up. Now, all we have to do is put our A-frame on the flaring bar here, and we're going to take and tighten this down. We want the piece sticking out of the adapter to go inside the brake line. Once again, we want to try snug this up just a smidge. We're going to make sure that this is as straight as possible. Now all we're going to do is we're going to take and turn this handle until it stops. Once it stops, we'll back this out. We'll pull off our A-frame. And now we have a metric bubble flare.